On 3 May 2023, a new radio station was launched in Algeria called Ifrikya FM. The aim of this station is to present news to all African countries from an African perspective, kind of like a African BBC or CNN in a way. The station announced that it would broadcast on FM and shortwave, but up to now the shortwave frequencies have not really been available. None of the shortwave databases seem to list it, and there wasn't any information on the site itself of this station on their website, which is actually not active yet. So I managed to pick up something last night, which was 20 May, and when I checked it, it was indeed Ifrikya FM. I was able to cross-check the signal with their YouTube channel because they also broadcast live on the internet, and their internet broadcasts seem to be on YouTube, live transmissions. So I was able to clearly check and definitely confirm that this was Ifrikya FM. It's the same frequency that was used in the past by Radio Algeria, so I'm assuming that they probably share these frequencies, and the signal comes from Bechar or Bechar, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, in Algeria. It's their own transmitter that they built and started using last year instead of using the transmitters from Issoudun in France, which they used to use before. This broadcast is in Arabic. The station also broadcasts in French, and they have announced they will also do English at some point and some other languages. This is Andre from SWL, and in this video I think it is probably the first confirmed recording and confirmed frequency for Ifrikya FM.